So the benefits that, of course, the benefit that $40.9 million, the payback was 2 years. That was a project that was already had approved $50 million given. So we could get the benefit, and the payback was about 2 years. And the benefit for this energy saving scheme, which I was talking about, that was about $4 million per annum. And the toluene column that we eliminated, that itself gave a benefit of about $5 million US, which was actually allocated for that particular new toluene column. So when we eliminated that column, we could save that $5 million. So that was a big benefit that we could get out of this. So this is the production increase before and after. And the brainstorming and value engineering at every step of that project, that could help us arriving at this innovative solutions.
नहीं, इनसे जानना पड़ेगा ये कौन सा जाम खा के आते हैं। जैम है कि जाम है? Thank you.
The next project is from Reliance Industries Jamnagar Manufacturing Division. I request Mr. Kishore MB to please present the project on aromatics complex revamp.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am from Reliance Industries Limited, Jamnagar, and I'm from the refinery division. We'll just go through the brief of Reliance. The Reliance journey has always been for a backward integration kind of model. We started with textiles, then we went upward to fiber and chemicals, then polymers, and then refinery and petrochemicals. And this is the division where I work in Jamnagar. And then now we have gone upstream to oil and gas, and then of course we are going into other ventures as well. So if you see the global standing on paraxylene, that's the product that I'll be dealing with mostly in this presentation. We are the fifth largest producer of paraxylene in the world. Now going straight away into the project, like the Reliance Jamnagar refinery, we have got the aromatics complex. It's basically a petrochemical, part of the petrochemical side of the refinery. And the aromatics complex mainly produces paraxylene and orthoxylene. These are the main products. Paraxylene is used for making fiber, and the orthoxylene goes as intermediates into paint and other industries.